Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down. Let your body settle completely. Close your eyes. Breathe in slowly. And out. The body is doing something extraordinary right now, without your instruction. Your heart is beating. Your lungs are exchanging air. Your cells are working. Your immune system is identifying and responding to threats you will never consciously register. It has been doing this your entire life. This meditation is about returning your attention to that work, acknowledging it, and creating the conditions that allow it to continue. Breathe in and out. Let your body soften. Start at the top of your head and move slowly downward. Your scalp, your forehead, your jaw. Release them. Your neck and shoulders. Let them drop. Your chest. Let it open. Your stomach. No need to hold it. Your lower back. Your hips. Your legs. All the way down to your feet. Breathe in and out. You are not going to force anything here. The body heals on its own terms. What you can do is stop working against it. Most of what disrupts the body's natural functioning is not physical. It is the sustained presence of stress, of tension held in muscles for hours, for days, for years, of a nervous system that has been in high alert for so long it has forgotten what calm feels like. Breathe in slowly and out. As you exhale, imagine that exhale as a signal to your nervous system. A signal that says, the threat has passed. You can rest now. This is not metaphor. This is biology. The slow exhale activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the part of you that governs repair, recovery, and restoration. You are already doing the work. Breathe in and out. The Stoics believed that the health of the mind and the health of the body were inseparable. A disciplined, clear mind creates a different internal environment than an anxious, scattered one. This is not philosophy. Modern medicine confirms it. Chronic stress reduces immune function. Sustained calm restores it. What you are doing right now is medicine. Breathe in and out. Bring your attention to an area of your body that feels tired or tense or less than well. Do not avoid it. Bring your attention there gently. You are not trying to heal it by willpower. You are simply bringing awareness to it. Attention is not passive. Attention is a signal. It tells the body, this matters, look here. Breathe into that area now. Let the breath reach it. Imagine warmth moving through your body with each inhale. Not heat. Warmth. The warmth of blood moving. Of oxygen reaching every tissue. Your body is built for this. Built to restore itself when given the conditions. Breathe in and out. You are not broken. Even if something in your body is struggling right now, the rest of it is compensating, adapting, continuing. The body's instinct is always toward function. Always toward life. Work with that instinct, not against it. Breathe in slowly and out. Let your whole body be soft now. No bracing. No holding. No preparing for the next demand. Just this breath. Just this moment. Just the quiet intelligence of a body doing what it was built to do. The ancient Stoics spoke of the body as something borrowed, not something owned. This is not pessimism. It is an invitation to care for it well during the time you have it. You were given a body capable of extraordinary endurance, capable of recovering from tremendous difficulty, capable, when treated with discipline and rest and attention, of serving you for a very long time. Breathe in and out. What does your body need more of right now? Not what it wants. What it needs. Rest. Water. Movement. Stillness. Time away from screens. Time in air and light. Whatever the honest answer is, let it register. You already know. You usually know. The body communicates clearly. It is the mind that overrides the signal in the name of productivity or pressure or the sense that there is not enough time. There is time. This time, right now, is time. Breathe in and out. Let your body be held by stillness for a moment longer. Let it receive the message that right now, nothing is required of it. It can simply be. Stay here. Breathing. Present. Easy. Breathe in slowly. And out. When you return to your day, carry this with you: your body is not a machine. It is a living system that responds to how you treat it, how you rest it, how you feed it, and how you speak to it in the quiet moments when no one else is listening. Speak to it as something worth caring for. Begin to bring your awareness gently back to the room. Feel the surface beneath you. Take a slightly fuller breath. Let it out. Open your eyes when you are ready. Take care of what was given to you.